fine and great at home. Today I am here with an interesting EVS learning session. We are going to learn about animals. Yes, shall we start learning? We share our earth with animals and plants, and there are different kinds of animals, and today we are going to learn about some of the animals. Animals can be divided into wild animals and domestic animals. Domestic animals is otherwise called as farm animals. Today we are going to learn about wild animals and farm animals. Come on, let's start learning. We'll start today's session with a rhyme.
Bow wow, says the dog. Mew mew, says the cat. Grant grant goes the hog, and squeak goes the rat. Chip chip, says the sparrow. Caw caw, says the crow. Quack quack, says the duck. And what cuckoos say? Do you know? Cuckoo cuckoo.
Now we are going to learn the names of some animals. Take your Explore Semester 2 and take page number 160. Name the animals. Children, they have given the names of animals in the box here. You can select and write here. What is this? This is a bear. So you are going to write B-E-A-R, bear here. And what is this? This is a lion. So you are going to write lion here. Likewise, a crocodile, dog, monkey, cow, elephant, sheep, and a cat. Children, write the date here and write CW classwork and complete these 2 pages. Now come to the next page. These animals live in the forest. Write their names. So animals that live in the forest is called as wild animals. It's called as wild animals. Wild animals live in forest. So E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. So you are going to fill in the missing letters here. Next, T-I-G-E-R, D-E-E-R, L-I-O-N, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, Z-E-B-R-A, elephant, tiger, deer, lion, giraffe, and zebra. These animals live in forest. Now come to the next page, 163. These animals are farm animals. Write their names. Children, farm animals are friendly with human beings, so they will not harm you. But wild animals will harm you. You cannot live with the wild animals. Farm animals will help you. So here are some farm animals. What is this? So you are going to select from the given words here. Donkey. We'll find out where the donkey is. D-O-N-K-E-Y. So this is a donkey. So you are going to write donkey here. Next one is goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Here is a goat. So you are going to write goat here. G-O-A-T, goat here. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, where is the sheep? It's here, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. So you are going to write sheep here. O-X, ox, so write O-X, ox here. H-E-N, hen, hen will come here, H-E-N, hen. C-O-W, cow, C-O-W, cow, you have to write cow here. C-A-T, cat, C-A-T, cat, write C-A-T, cat here. D-O-G, dog. So write D-O-G, dog here. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T. Write rabbit here, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Horse, H-O-R-S-E. You are going to write horse here. So children, complete these pages in your book. Page number 160, 61, 161, 162 and 163 in your book. So before that, we'll know the uses of these animals. As I told you, farm animals are friendly and helps human beings. So this is an ox. Ox helps in the fields for plowing. Hen. Hen lays eggs and we eat eggs. What is this? This is a goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. Horse. This is a horse. Horse helps us to travel from one place to the other. Dog. Dog guards our house. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. A donkey. Donkey carries loads. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Rabbit. Rabbit gives us meat. Cat. Cat helps in hunting the rats, which destroys the grains. So children, have got one more work for you. You are going to collect the pictures of wild animals and farm animals and should paste that in your scrap notebook. You are going to paste farm animals in one page and wild animals in another page. Now we'll take our classwork notebook and write the names of domestic animals or farm animals and wild animals. Come on. Children, take your EVS classwork. Now we are going to write the names of animals. First of all, write today's date. What is today's date? 3/12/20. Now write the heading animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. So write the heading animals and here write W-I-L-D, wild, and here F-A-R-M, farm. So this side we will be writing wild animals and this side we will be writing some of the farm animals. Number 1. Lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. It has got shabby mane. Lion roars. Okay. L-I-O-N, lion. Next one, number 2 is tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Children, do you know wild animals hunt other animals for their food? Number 3, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Number 4, D-E-E-R, deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Children, shall we repeat this again? W-I-L-D, wild. Wild animals lives in forest. L-I-O-N, lion. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. B-E-A-R, bear. D-E-E-R, deer. Now, we'll write some of the farm animals. Number 1. Cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow gives us milk. Number 2, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Number 3, H-E-N, hen. Number 4, D-U-C-K, duck. F-A-R-M, farm. C-O-W, cow. G-O-A-T, goat. H-E-N, hen. D-U-C-K, duck. So, farm animals helps us. Wild animals lives in forest. Farm animals live with us. They are friendly. Whether the wild animals are ferocious and dangerous. Wild animals are kept in zoo with high protection so that they will not attack us. What is this? This is a lion. What is this? This is a monkey. Monkey lives in trees. Lion lives in a cave. It's called as den. Giraffe. What is this? This is a giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. What is this? Tiger. Tiger runs very fast. Children, these are wild animals. They live in the forest. Here I've got some farm animals which are friendly to us. And they all live with us. What is this? This is a goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. What is this? This is a pig. Pig gives us meat. What is this? This is a hen. Hen gives us meat and eggs. This is a cow. Cow also gives us milk and meat. I've got one more activity for you. Shall we do that? Here I've got the shadows of some animals. So we are going to match the shadows with the correct animals. What is this? It has got a horn in its nose. This is called as rhinoceros. Rhino. So where is rhino standing right now? It's here. So we are going to match the shadow of the rhino with the rhino. So here is the rhino. What is this? This is an elephant with a trunk and tusk. It has got a tail. Animals have 4 legs and a tail. So, where is an elephant? Here it is. Okay, what is this? This is the shadow of a lion, king of the jungle. So, we'll join the shadow with the animal lion. Shadow of a lion, and this is a lion. This is a hippopotamus. So we'll join the shadow with the animal. Here is the hippopotamus. Giraffe. Yeah, here is the giraffe. Now, here I've got the shadows of some farm animals. What is this? This is a horse. So join it like this. This is a donkey. Join it here. A rabbit. Where is the rabbit? It's here. And a hen. Where is the hen standing? Here it is. It's a hen. This is a rooster. Where is the rooster here? Yes, it's here. What is this? This is a duck. So, children, find out where is the duck? It's here. Now, which one is left out? What is this? This is a cow. So, join this here. And here is a pig. So, here we got the shadow of a pig. So that's all. Children, have fun doing this activity. So children, that's all for today's EVS learning session. Meet you in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.